Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sonata SF Rush fitness tracker or activity tracker. This is a Tata product as it's written over here. This particular fitness tracker comes with sleep tracker, step counter and distance tracker as well. It also has a long battery backup, water resistance, actually water resistance up to 30 meters, Bluetooth connectivity, alarms and also calorie counter. It's compatible with both Android and Apple as well, Mac OS as well. Let's show you what this fitness tracker looks like. This is it. These are the components of this particular fitness tracker. And this is the user manual that it comes with. This is a very small, very tiny user manual. You should read it at least once. You will learn how to set up, what are the different security features, what are the safety guidelines, what are the different features of this particular fitness tracker. Everything is detailed in this particular document. Let's take a look at the fitness tracker itself. This is what it looks like. It has a rubber body. There is a sticker over here. Let me just remove that. Okay, it's written over here. Please notice, please charge on USB port to activate device. I will do that in a while. This particular fitness tracker comes with an OLED display. This glass body is made out of acrylic. And as I mentioned earlier, the rest of the body, particularly these straps, are made out of rubber. These straps have this rugged texture on it as well. This is very durable and very this is not the softest of rubber straps. For charging, you have to remove these straps basically. Ideally, I think it's this one. Let's quickly find out. And there you go. This is the other strap, and this is the body. Once again, it has an OLED display. You won't be able to see the display because it's not charged right now. So how we charge is basically, this is a USB jacks, and this is what you find inside the box containing the Sonata SF Rush fitness tracker. Thank you for watching.